Today we're going to take a look at how we can back up files on our local C drive in Windows 7. Windows does have a backup and restore feature in Windows 7. What you need is an external USB hard drive, something like this Western Digital My Passport drive that you can find on Amazon.com for roughly $80. But there are several that you can use. That happens to be what I have, a Western Digital Passport USB drive. I'm going to go ahead and connect that in to my computer. And that's what I will back up the information to, the files on my computer on my local C drive. Now, as a note, if you are in a business environment, a corporate environment, you definitely want to back up any very important files or data to the network. But if you want to back up information on your local C drive, from your local C drive onto an external drive, then you certainly can do that in Windows 7. You can see I've added the My Passport drive to my system. It shows up as my F drive, My Passport. And now I'm going to go into the control panel. The way I got here was through the Start button and then Control panel. And inside the control panel, I do have the small icon view over here, just in case yours might look different. But there is an option called Backup and Restore. I'm going to click on that. And once you're in here, you're going to see Backup. Windows Backup has not been set up. Set up Backup. So I'm going to click on that link. And it's going to obviously start a process in a wizard that's going to enable me to define or create a backup for the files on my local C drive. Here it has looked through and it's found My Passport. I'm going to click that to highlight it, and I'm going to just hit Next. And it's going to ask me, what do you want to back up? You can let Windows choose, which of course they recommend. And generally what Windows chooses to back up is your My Documents, where you have my pictures, any videos, your documents, your desktop, that kind of a thing. Or you can choose yourself. For today's example, we'll just use the Windows recommended information here in Files. And if you need to do anything beyond that, you certainly can customize that. Then the next window is Review Your Backup Settings. It's saying for all users, default windows and folders, system image included, and it actually has a schedule option, which a lot of people don't realize it has. You can schedule it for a time to do on a regular basis. This one is every Sunday at 7 p.m. There's a change schedule here. You can do it weekly. You can adjust this to daily or monthly or weekly. Choose your day of the week and choose the time that it starts the backup. So a nice little functionality there to customize your backup process. Once you've decided which folders you want to back up and what schedule you'd like to use, you can save the settings and run the backup. Obviously, Windows is going to process that, and it's going to begin your backup procedure. It's really, as you can see, quite simple to do in Windows 7 with the Windows Backup and Restore functionality in the control panel. As always, if you have any questions or would like any additional information about this or anything else, please let us know. Thank you.